Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting materials so you can work without stopping. This saves time and keeps clean edges. Once you have black and white cardstock, scissors, glue, pencil, and 5 cm elastic, print or sketch a panda face about 18 cm wide. Trace the template directly onto the white cardstock and mark the eye sockets and ear positions clearly. Make clean, confident cuts on outer lines first so the shape holds while you cut inner details. This prevents tearing and keeps proportions accurate. Now you assemble the face by cutting eye patches, nose, and ears from black cardstock. Precision matters because small offsets look obvious. Once cut, position each black piece on the white base and glue one side at a time so you can adjust symmetry before it bonds. If edges lift, add tiny reinforcement tabs behind ears and patches to secure them without visible glue lines. Make sure to let the glue set for 5 to 10 minutes to avoid warping. This creates a flat, durable surface for the next step. Finish by punching small holes at the mask sides where the elastic will anchor. Attach 5 cm elastic with knots on the back, then tape or glue over the knots so they don't slip. Once the strap is secure, trim any rough edges and consider a light clear coat or lamination to protect the paper from moisture and handling. If the mask warps or separates, re-glue the seam and apply a thin reinforcement strip behind the problem area. This restores shape and maintains comfort while you wear it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.